Grandma Gail and I are going to share some of our favorite products from the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale that's coming up. We're linking everything on our LTK, so you can check that out in the app. Here are some of our favorites. Here's some Eberjay pajamas. I wear so much of their PJs. Grandma's more of a nightgown girl, but
these look wonderful and the color is beautiful.
This is Nordstrom brand.
Black cashmere sweater, always perfect. Can never go wrong with that for the fall or a cool summer evening. I just love that, and I would wear it with white pants, with jeans, or with the khakis like they're showing. Well, this is my go-to type of shirt for the summer. A white, very lightweight. I think this is a long sleeve peasant type of blouse, so it gives a little more fullness. It's not so form-fitted, and it's nice for those hot summer evenings.
From Good American, a wide leg.
Well, wide legs are definitely in for everybody who's young and glamorous or old and glamorous, so go for it. It's quite a beautiful look.
And these shoes from Veronica Beard. I love that mule type style, and I love the brand.
And they're perfect for the jeans because they make the wide leg look chic.
Yeah.
And it looks really pretty together.
Yeah. Early access to the sale starts July 11th to 16th, and then from there on till August 6th is the full sale, so go check it out on the LTK app.
Have fun.